Hey guys, Alex here from the AL7 YouTube channel, bringing you guys another Doordash vlog video. Today is Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving by the way. I wanted to start this video earlier in the day, but I just woke up too late. I'm gonna be frank and honest about it. I was up late editing new content for this channel, the A1 Photo Fun YouTube channel, and then doing some networking and marketing for the A1 Photo Fun business. I started a new email campaign, so that took a lot of time to put together. So my day started a little late. I know Doordash today is running like a bonus since it's awfully busy today. I know like not every family like cooks for Thanksgiving and some people wanted to order in, whatever the case may be. So I figured instead of staying home, watching a movie, playing a video game, or just fiddling around on my computer, maybe editing something, I figured why not make some money real quick, see how much I can make on a holiday. And I figured it'd be fun to bring you guys along for the ride. Just some quick notes and things I've learned recently is that the acceptance rate really doesn't matter for Doordash. A lot of times when you first launch the app, it's gonna give you a lot of orders that are just, they've been bounced around, declined multiple times, and they're just not really worth it. I launched the app and I got an order that was like 9 miles away for like $9, but it would take up the whole hour. Again, they're running this bonus now until 2 p.m. If you complete 4 orders, it's a $4 bonus, and that one would have taken up the whole hour, so I wouldn't get the bonus. And I'd like to try to get the bonus if possible. I'm not 100% sure how busy it'll be this afternoon. I'm hoping so because the app was claiming it would be, but we'll see what happens. I'm just gonna again do this from 1 to 3 p.m. Then I'm gonna head home and prep for Thanksgiving dinner. That's around like 4:30, 5 o'clock. So we just got our first Doordash order. I'm gonna accept it. It's not terribly far of a drive. I think it's 4 miles, and then the pay is $8.50. So that's pretty darn good. It shouldn't take too long to do. So yeah, it's only a 7-minute drive. We're gonna head to the Subway here, pick up this order. It's a pretty large order, it seems. Quick Doordash for $8.50, and then we'll see how many more we can complete within these 2 hours. So let's get going. All right, that was a bit of a mess. All right, picked up the first order, but when I got there, the order wasn't even started, so running a little late. But I did text the customer to let them know that the order was running late and it wasn't even started. By the time I got there, I just got the order, running a little behind, but should be able to still get there in time. And then also the guy there was like awfully rude. I wasn't expecting that, but like, I get it, it's Thanksgiving, and he was like the only guy there, but still, like, there's no reason to give me attitude. I was just trying to pick up the order. I got there and the guy just like practically yelling at me. But anyways, let's get to this first delivery and make this quick. All right, just got here. I gotta find the address though. It's 476, and Google Maps usually takes me 472. How you jump from 4? Oh, here we are. I think this is it, 476. I'm just gonna park here. I think that's the one. Actually, I'll just drop it off at the door, so BRB. How's it going? Here you are, buddy. Yep, happy Thanksgiving. All right, pretty easy order. Jump back in the Dasher app. Fleet delivery, boom. Okay, good. Oh, nice. So the base pay for Doordash was $3, and then the tip was $8, so that's pretty awesome. Wasn't expecting to get 11 in one order. Here's another one. 4 items from Subway. Where? Going back to the same Subway, and then that's kind of far. No, I'm gonna decline that one. That's kind of ridiculous. All right, guys, so I declined 2 orders because they weren't worth it. This one's a red card order. It's a 3-mile drive and the pay is $8.50. So of course I'm gonna accept this one. You gotta turn down the ones that aren't worth it, and then you get some of these good ones. So definitely picking this one up. This one's not too far. 2 3-mile drive and good pay. So let's get going. And
before you go, verify info for CVS.
Wait, what?
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Main Street.
All right, whatever. So let's head over to CVS. All right, this is a little different than usual, but yeah, first time picking up and delivering from a CVS. I didn't know that was a thing, so I picked up some Advil, and this guy also ordered some beef jerky. So just sent him a text that I'm on the way. It's getting hot out. So odd because it was freezing the other day. That was a bit of an odd order, but got that one completed. Then give me a short order here to go to Perkins, but I declined that one. Just wouldn't be worth it for me. But we have about another hour to go, so I'm currently $19.50 in, which is pretty great. Almost 20 bucks an hour. So I definitely want to give this a little more time. And hopefully I can make another 20 bucks within the next hour. All right, guys, so I'm back. I took a little break. Doordash kind of slowed down, so then I started flying my drone around for about like 20 minutes and kind of did that for a bit to get some footage for this vlog and some other video projects. And then I figured I should get back on this. It's 2:40 now, so realistically, I'm only doing this for like an hour and 20 minutes. The order I just got is $7. I had a lot of like not so great orders pop up, but yeah, I'm again, just avoid the orders where it asks you to drive like 4 miles and it's only paying you like $3. It's just not worth it. Okay, so I'm on the way to this Perkins here, and then I got it buzzed.
Right, then turn right.
And it wants me to pick up a second order while I'm here, and I can make an additional $5. So I might as well. The delivery should be done by 3:11, so I'm going a little past what I wanted to do, but I don't really mind. Again, Thanksgiving dinner is around like 4:30, 5 o'clock. So I got time, and I did slack off because I was flying my drone, and it did slow down for a little bit. So I'm gonna pick up these 2 orders.
Your destination is on the left.
And yeah, what is that then? I think it's a $12 order and then tips, so this should be pretty good. All right, guys, so I'm getting to the first delivery from Perkins. This is like a 2-in-1. I picked up 2 orders. Just gotta double check the bags and make sure I get the right food to the right customer. But we're about to be here. I'm gonna give him a quick call just to sort of save me time and speed things up here.
Your destination is on the right.
937, which I don't. No, that's a 927. All right, so this is some sort of like apartment complex. I'll put on my 4-ways here real quick and give him a call for 2 items.
Hello?
Hey Gavin, this is Alex from Doordash. I'm here. I'm by the building 935. Oh, there's 937. Do you want me to hand deliver it to you or just drop it by the door?
You just put it outside.
All right, I got you. I'll have it there in like 30 seconds for you.
All right, thank you.
Yep. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye.
You too, brother. Thank you.
All right, so that was pretty quick and easy. I'm gonna head to the next one. I could be there in 6 minutes, and I think it needs to be delivered by like 3:11. So I have more than enough time to get there. I'm gonna wait for this person on the bike to pass. All right. There's a reflection on the glass. That's 34. There's 24. All right, so we're gonna pull up here. I'm gonna give him a quick call, I guess. Or what does it say? Please set our delivery. I think it's definitely this one. 24 Suite B. All right, let's get this delivered real quick. Leave at my door, building. folding table next to my door and ring the doorbell before leaving. Thank you for your efforts. All right, guys, so I'm done with DoorDash for today. Again, this was like, I was supposed to do this for 2 hours, but then I did take a half-hour break, sort of, to fly my drone. I wasn't getting any good orders, and I saw a shot I just had to have, so I figured, why not? Again, I'm just doing this for a little extra cash, and I'm just killing time before Thanksgiving dinner. So, in conclusion, guys, definitely delivering on holidays is great. I got some pretty good tips out of the total, or I got a really good tip for the one delivery I did, but around the holidays, people are generally more generous, so more reason to do it. I made a total of $31.50. It says for 2 hours, but it was realistically an hour and a half. I definitely could have hit $40 or even possibly $50. But again, I flew the drone just to get that shot, and I figured why not? I was there in the cool area and I just had to get the shot. So again, guys, definitely worth doing on holidays if you have the time and availability. Just be careful, because a lot of people driving around here, people, especially in the Lehigh Valley, just drive a little irresponsibly. I get it, it's the holidays, everyone has somewhere to be, but there's a few people that just flew through stop signs, people not using their turn signal, and again, just not driving terribly safe or responsibly. But if you guys have any comments or questions, definitely leave them in the comment section below. Hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving. I'm gonna head home, get my holiday outfit on, and enjoy some time with some family and friends. So hope you guys have a great holiday. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys in the next one.